What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for being here. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, press the bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a video. So let's get into this video. So just a quick disclaimer for you. If you have thinning hair and you losing hair and you have bald patch, you need to seek professionally help in terms of seeing your doctor that can actually give you an idea of what is happening to your hair. All right, remember that. Before we get into this video, seek professional help if you need it. Things that I want to share with you, and if this resonate with you, watch this video to the end and see how I do. One is to know what is causing your hair loss, to know it, and that is to seek professional help. Number two is braiding your hair. Make sure that the braid on your hair is not too heavy. That will help to pull the hair out or stress the hair, because hair loss can come from stressing of the hair as well as dye, as well as aging and getting mature. So mature hair need different attention than what a 20-year-old hair would need. If you have mature hair where you're facing hair loss or anything of that, remember that. All right, so in this video, how I was able to do it is that before I put the braid in her hair, I washed the braid 2 days prior so that it can be dry and nice. And I washed that braid using apple cider vinegar and shampoo, and I put really good smelling conditioner to make it not smelling like apple cider vinegar, right? So I wash the hair first before I use it in her hair. Whenever I braid the hair with little strands. And the braid that I'm using, this braid is pretty good because it's lightweight. It's not heavy. The natural twist is the best way to help to regrow your hair. It's very lightweight. You can use little strands on the lighter part of her hair or on the bald patch of her hair. Use lighter strand of braid so it won't be too heavy. That will weigh the hair down. And the next thing you have to do is to moisturize your scalp. So I make my own homemade oil, and that's what I've been using in her hair that actually help her hair to grow. So you're going to want to find something that works for you, and not everything in the store and every oil that you see on the market work for you. Because if you have mature hair, it's different than if you're 55 and the person is 25, and what worked for the 25-year-old will not work for you at 55. So remember that. All right, so keep watching this video. It's just a simple twist. I show you how I do it. You see how I use less hair, and you see how the hair does not look as if your hair is thin. So keep watching this video to the end. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and have yourself a wonderful and a blessed and prosperous new year 2020.